Elephant. Elephants are the largest existing land animals. Tiger. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. Lion. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native Africa. White tiger. The white tiger is a loosely pigmentation. Horse. The horse is a domesticated. Monkey. Monkeys are generally considered to be intelligent. Panther. Black panther is the melanistic color variant of the monkey and the jaguar. Cat. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. Bear. Bears are carnivorous mammals of the family Ursidae. Panda. The panda is a bear species endemic to China. Gorilla. Gorillas are herbivorous. Goat. The goat is a member of the animal family Bovidae and the tribe Caprina. Dog. Dogs were the first species to be domesticated. Cow. Cows is a very friendly animal. Foxes. Most fox species are known to be friendly. Deer. Deer or true deer are hoofed ruminant mammals. Kangaroo. Kangaroos are foremost hooves of the family. Polar bear. Polar bear is the hypercarnivorous species of bear. Sheep. Sheep or domesticated sheep are domesticated. Wolf. The wolf, also known as the grey wolf or grey wolf. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. Bull. Bull is an adult male of the species Spurus. Jaguar. The jaguar is a large cat species. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white scale coat. Tortoise. Tortoises are reptiles of the family Testudines of the order Testudines. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros is located accurately to rhino. Dolphin. Dolphin species belong to the families Delphinidae. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Leopard.